What are you doing? Curling my hair. Curling your hair with a saw.
It's really soft. There's a lot of wood.
Generally bring to a school camp, like my sleeping bag.
Cry a bit like Wilson.
I'm sorry, Wilson. What's the first thing you pack for your school camp?
Suitcase. And more suitcases.
This is your lunchbox.
Same thing. They both get lost very often. Or pack myself.
What you want?
Hold on.
So I've already packed what I would generally bring to a school camp, like my sleeping bag, bath towel, some typical warm clothes. Big sweaters, nice warm jumpers, pants, socks, knitted beanie, and we got those heat packs, typically those toe warmers, enclosed shoes for those bushwalking and walking through lakes, sticks, leaves, all that yuck stuff. We also have a vanity bag here, shampoo, conditioner, face cleanser, and I also have my skincare products, a comb, a face towel, some band-aids if I or anyone gets hurt, and some my meds. Got some cold and flu Panadol, some antihistamine. And then, of course, we have a sleeping bag. I feel like every time I go on camp, I'll always go back to the first packing for camp video. It's the original, and I will always find my way there. Fleece jacket and a long sleeve shirt to keep me all nice and warm in those cold, windy nights.
What are you doing? Curling my hair. Curling your hair with a saw.
It's the sock curling thing trend.
That's
Who knows if it works? Who knows if it works?
The school sent us the packing list for this camp. It's very simple. It's just one page. It's got all the general things you would bring to any school camp, like sleeping bag, long sleeve shirts for those chilly days outside. I have to bring my own pillow. The packing list does not include a schedule, so I don't know what activities I'm doing on what day. And the worst part is that this school camp only goes on for 3 days. I feel just like a sleepover. My first and last school camp packing list in 2020, which I kept. This packing list is very detailed, very accurate to my memory. And the best part is that it includes a schedule of what activities we're doing for what day. I can't go in up. It looks weird. Too airy. So that comes slide.
don't have to worry about anything. I'm sorry! I'm sorry, Wilson!
Camping at home.
Such a tacky setting. Perfect for making some instant self-heating hot pot food items. No need to boil any water, set up a stove, just need a bottle of water.
There's a lot of rice.
I like rice, okay. There's a good variety of self-heating hot pot food items like noodles, rice, meat, all found in the big Asian grocery store. Some of them look spicy or greasy, so I just picked the 3 food items which look relatively mild and healthy. Basically, this is a chicken stew with steamed rice and egg soup. In Chinese, it's pronounced as 黄焖鸡米饭蛋花芙蓉汤. Weird things are at the back. It's written instant dried rice. What? With some Chinese instructions and pictures. No English instructions. Looks like you put the food in the top tray, add some water, then put another tray underneath that with a heating pad and cover that in water, like a double boiler. Can you see the smoke? I can hear something. So warm! Ow, that actually hurt. While we wait for this one to cook, I'm gonna start unboxing and prepping this one.
How do you call this in Chinese?
咸菜扣肉煲仔饭
自热锅。
自热锅。Again, there's no English instructions on this one, but I can tell from the illustrations that you put the food and water in the bag in the top tray, then add the heat pack and water into the underneath tray, and add just enough water to cover the heat pack is fine. can hear smoke. You can hear it bubbling, and you can see the smoke. It's been 15 minutes. Let's see the magic. Okay, let's. Ow. Okay.
It's very hot.
It is really hot. It's really moist. It's like really wet. Don't fall, don't fall. Don't fall, don't fall. Oh! You did it! I didn't burn myself as well. The flavor is really nice. It's just a little moist for rice.
Where's the chicken?
It's like really old chicken or something. It tastes really rubbery. Broth. It's got a bunch of carrots, greens. It's very light. It's not like strong, bold flavors. It's like a light broth. It's got some tofu bits, carrots, vegetables. It tastes really nice. I think if I grab some broth with some rice. When you put the two and two together, it tastes really nice. 辣味煲仔饭之米饭。This one finally has English instructions. Sauce that you put afterwards. I think it's soy sauce. Yummy. The plastic on this is quite thin. I'm questioning how it hasn't melted yet. But look at this cool thing. When I press on it, puffs of smoke come out. So cute. Ooh. The rice looks a little wet, but it looks cooked. Compared to the picture, it looks really similar. It's pretty spot on. But the Claypot rice is supposed to have crunchy bits at the bottom. This does not look crunchy at all. It looks wet. It doesn't look crunchy at all. What part of this looks crunchy? It's all moist. This is hot. Chunky. Moment of truth. These peas, I don't think they're cooked because they're kind of like powdery. Uncooked.
So salty.
I like the one before. I don't like this one.
I tried to find a piece of meat. Where's the meat? Sadly, couldn't find any meat. This one is for the people who like salty rice. Rice is good. The meat actually is preserved Chinese sausage called lapchang. It tastes pretty close.
Rice is good.
This one definitely doesn't taste like Claypot rice. It's very moist. The rice, this one's better. This one's better. For the meat, this one.
But overall, this one tastes the best in my opinion. If we were going camping, I would bring this one and this one along. The rice for this one is a bit wet.
Tastes like glutinous rice.
And the meat, the veggies, the broth with the wet rice all work together. Oh, sorry. I just got up. Today, it's raining, so I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to do all the outdoor activities the school planned. I got my outfit already, my suitcase packed, and then I've also got my backpack packed, so I'm just gonna show you what I put in it. In this big pocket, we got a pillow. It's taking up majority of the backpack space. And then we're also bringing some Uno to play on the bus because we're not allowed to bring our phone, and I'm a phone addict. And then I also got this nice Hello Kitty cutlery set because I'm so bougie and everyone's gonna love it. I'll pick that up later. And then on the other side, we got this camera to take memories, camp memories, so I'll never forget the great times I had. These are my snacks that I'm bringing onto camp and for the bus trips in case I get hungry. To the sanitary product, we got some wipes and we have some face masks to bring on the bus, pocket tissues, hand sanitizer spray, and then we also have my sunglasses. Let's use what's left. I got this torch to tell spooky stories. Glasses case. And I have this water bottle that I'm gonna bring so I stay hydrated on those bus trips, those bushwalks. I don't wanna get dehydrated on them. I have to go now, get to school, get on those buses and go to school camp. Let me just pack all of this stuff in. But for now, thanks guys for watching this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!